Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong January 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And also, salamat sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you for your support. So, let's see, Capricorn. Ano yung energies ng kaperahan? Ngayong January. Wow! The Sun. The Sun is confidence, illumination, clarity. So, good things in your finances, no? Ngayong January. Maaring merong solutions na sa mga pinoproblema nyo sa pera. You may also receiving like a creative idea na pwede mong gawing source of income ngayong January. You also have crystal, so this is healing, overcoming your challenges, aligning. Oo, so ina-align mo na yung sarili mo sa mga goals mo. Mas meron ka na ngayong discipline to make things happen. And this is also about purifying. So, nire-release mo na yung anything na habits, any habits na no longer serving you in terms of your career, your business, and your finances. You also have the Scorpion. So, this is your passion, the fire in you. So, some of you are going to be very passionate in your career, in your business, in your finances, na kung gusto mong makapag-ipon. So, ngayong January is the best time for you to save more money, no? Para mas feeling confident, no? For your finances dahil mas meron kang savings. Let's see what else. Ito pala. For Capricorn, money, career, finances. You have the Three of Wands. So, you are eyeing for a new opportunity. Maaring nagiging interesado ka sa isang pagkakakitaan, isang trabaho. This is also about exploration. So, maaring meron kang i-explore na bagong career path, bagong business. This is taking action, going on an adventure. So, medyo adventurous ka ngayong January. You also have the Knight of Cups. Maaring merong offer sa'yo for a new career, a new business, or a new job offer. Merong proposal kasi rito eh. So, maaring someone is going to propose a business sa'yo if you are someone na mahilig sa negosyo. You have the Death card, which is transformation, endings, and new beginnings. So, yung iba may natatapos sa inyo na career path, trabaho, or business, at ngayon, you are starting a new chapter in your life in terms of your career, in terms of your business. Some of you naman may kinalaman sa growth to. Kung meron ka na existing job or career or business, mas nag-aaral ka, nag-explore ka, nag-expand ka. Yeah, you also have the Hermit. Some of you mas mag-suspend muna ng time sa sarili ninyo in reassessing your situation. You also have the Hanged Man. Some of you meron kayong major decision na gagawin ngayong January, whether itutuloy nyo o hindi, or bibigyan nyo pa ng time yung sarili nyo na pag-isipan. Pagdating sa trabaho. Pwede kasing itong offer na to yung pag-iisipan mo. Like, for example, actually meron dito nag-offer to work abroad or to work in a far place or lumipat ng trabaho ng kumpanya. Oo. Or this can also mean a business proposal na may gusto makipag-partner sa'yo, business partner. Like, for example, kung meron kang business na ino-open mo na for franchise, so maaari may mga inquiries sa'yo. Okay? Let's see what else. Money, career, finances. Capricorn. Uy, meron kayong talent, skills na gagamitin nyo. You're also going to discover your talents, your skill set. Ano kasi yun, hindi mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan eh. 'Di ba? Na meron ka palang talent doon. Minsan itong mga talent na to na discover natin naturally kasi alam natin na we are good on that. Pero minsan kasi kapag parang na-program ka na ito lang yung dapat mong gawin, ang hirap mag-explore, 'di ba? Ang hirap umalis sa comfort zone mo. But minsan hindi natin alam na dito ka pala magiging successful. Okay? Like for example ako, I never thought na magta-tarot read ako sa YouTube, 'di ba? Dati iniisip ko pa lang na ang saya naman ng na maging content creator sa YouTube. Pero that was like 7 years ago or more na hindi ko nakala na mangyayari pala siya, 'di ba? So, not until subukan mo. Oh, ayan, may upgrade. You are leveling up, Capricorn. Your career status is getting an upgrade. So, yung iba, may posisyon na makukuha na mas mataas kaysa sa dati mong posisyon. So, that's a promotion for you. Or, it's like an upgrade in your tools, in your equipment, yung mga ginagamit mo for your business. Can be, like what I mentioned kanina, exploration yan or expansion, no? So, maaaring mag-expand ka pa ng business mo. Some of you are investing in the stock market or yung mga investments mo ngayon like saving more money will also help you grow your finances. Long term to long term na papasukin mo na mga investments. Pwedeng iba sa inyo mag-invest sa mga properties na mag-generate ng income. You will soon enter into a beneficial partnership. Luck and longevity bless this union. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Pwedeng ito yung offer of business partnership. Someone who will work with you for a project or business. The connection to divine guidance is within you. Yes. Capricorn, you are divinely guided. Ikaw ay nililid sa iyong soul's purpose. Hold the highest vision for your life. You now possess the ability to move past any hurdles. So, hindi siya naging madali na journey para sa inyo. Especially last year, pwedeng medyo naging challenging yung career, yung business, yung finances ninyo. But you are in the process of transition. You are in the process of transformation, changing direction, changing a new career or a job. It's like pagbabago, major change na i-explore mo. Let's see what else. Yung iba sa inyo mag-i-invest kayo sa talents ninyo. Kasi pag-i-invest hindi lang yan sa properties but also in yourself. So mag-i-invest ka sa sarili mo. Example, meron kang skill na alam mo sa sarili mo na magaling ka doon pero meron ka pang ikagagaling. So, pwedeng mag-aaral ka or magte-training ka pa. You will add more knowledge, skills, yan, para ma-improve yung sarili mo. You're going to invest on yourself. Take courage and the world will reward you with bounty. Ayan. So, pagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob na sumubok ng bagong trabaho, business, career, opportunities, and then you will be rewarded with that, no? Makikita mo agad yung resulta ng iyong mga pinaghirapan. Turn enmity to your advantage. So, minsan kasi, no, may mga taong parang hindi sang-ayon sa mga gusto natin or minsan merong mga taong pumipigil sa atin para mag-grow. Ito yung mga nagdi-discourage sa atin. Mga hindi lang talaga tayo gusto. 'Di ba? So, you have to turn that to your advantage kasi minsan mas maganda mag-operate on your own dahil wala nakikialam sa iyo eh. Walang ibang magdedesisyon para sa iyo but yourself. So, you're going to use that opportunity na to be the leader of your own life, na ikaw yung maging driver ng sarili mong sasakyan papunta sa direksyon na gusto mong puntahan. 'Diba? So it's like having this freedom na gawin yung gusto mo according to your plans nang walang nakikialam. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.